Does your child also scores less in exams? So here VGS has some ways through which you can actively contribute to your ward's improvement. Number 1, establish a consistent study routine. Encourage your child to follow a regular study schedule that allows for ample study time, breaks, and a conducive learning environment at home. Number 2, monitor progress. Keep a close eye on your ward's progress and offer assistance whenever needed. Regularly communicate with their teachers to stay informed about their academic performance. Number 3, provide a supportive environment. Create an environment that fosters a love for learning and encourages your child to ask questions and seek help when required. Number 4, be encouraging and positive. Praise your child's efforts and achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Number 5, limit distractions. Help your child minimize distractions during study time, such as excessive screen time or noisy surroundings. Number 6, collaborate with teachers. Stay in touch with your child's teachers, attend parent-teacher meetings, and actively participate in their academic progress. Please remember that every child learns at their own pace, and with your unwavering support and the school's dedicated efforts, we are confident that your child will show improvement in their academic performance. Happy parents!